Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by readying the phone and opening settings. This saves time. Make sure battery is above 20% and you have reliable Wi-Fi or mobile data. Next, go to Settings, then Apps, then App Management to locate Google Play Store. This is where updates are controlled. While you're here, check storage and the Android version under About Phone so updates can install cleanly. Once done, proceed to the Play Store app itself to trigger the update process. You now open the Google Play Store app and tap your profile icon at the top right. This gives access to settings and the update check. From Profile, select Settings, then About, and tap Play Store version. This forces a version check. If an update is available, you'll see a prompt to download and install. Tap it and allow the process. Make sure you remain on Wi-Fi for larger downloads and avoid interrupting power or network until installation finishes. Finish by restarting your Vivo after the Play Store installs. This ensures services restart cleanly and the app opens normally. If the Play Store still misbehaves, go to Settings, Apps, Play Store, then Storage to clear cache and, if needed, clear data. This often resolves authentication or download failures. If that fails, remove and re-add your Google account and only consider a factory reset as a last resort because it erases data. One key tip: keep device time accurate. Incorrect time can block Play Store sign-in.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.